Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tutorials. So how do you blur one part of a video using Capcut here? It's going to be really simple, so bear with me. So in here, let's just go ahead and import a video here. Click on import. I'm selecting a file here, and this is just another video tutorial that I've created, but let's just use this for an example. So you slide the slider here, whichever part of the video you want. We're going to actually cut it using the slicer here. So once we slice that, slice the end of it, also slice it. So now we have a middle part of the video, whichever it is that you want to blur out. So click on adjust. So once you're here on adjust, let's just slide down a little bit here, and let's just wait. On here we have the clarity and also the fade here. You can basically adjust it here basically on your preference, and that'll be it. You basically blur out whichever capacity it is on your video on just one part. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day. Please subscribe.